What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and this is my brand new office chair that was just sent to me. And this is not like any ordinary office chair. This has built-in 6-point massage for your shoulders, lower back, and your thighs. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see and check it out. Comes with tools and bolts, a color manual, this leather is comparable to luxury cars. Here's all the parts, and they say it takes about 30 minutes to build. So let's go ahead and start with step one, which is the base. All right, so we're going to start off with the V bolts, which are in the middle. There we go. And so we got this center star shape base. We're going to turn it upside down where the plastic is facing down. And then we're going to take these and slide these in. Then you want to take the V bolts, just like these, and then go ahead and insert them. Using the Allen key they provide, tighten them down snugly. Don't over tighten, or else you might strip out the bolt. And then step two is put the wheels on. So I'm going to put the wheels on like this, but hopefully I'll be able to take them back off. Next, step three, put on G1. All right, so we're going to put on G1, and this is the plastic part, which is N1. So I believe it goes on like this. Yeah. Step three is easy. Step four, we're going to use S bolts. So this is the S bolts right here. That's the top, middle. Here we go. So here's the bottom seat right here. And we're going to take these plastic pieces right here and put them side by side. This is the front of the chair with the red arrow facing this way. So step four, once you screw in all the S bolts, and then you're going to go ahead and go to step five, and this is for the footrest. So this is the lock nut or lock bolt right here. So this doesn't slide all the way out. You hand screw that in. Next, we have to get E bolts. So that was the X, well, that was the Y bolt that goes there. And then X, no, E, the E, let's go for E. Yeah, these are the E bolts is next. That's for the footrest. So that would go like this, and it tucks in like that. So when you pull it out like this, and it flips down just like that. And then you put it back, and it fits in nice and neat. All right, now this piece goes on just like that. And we need the X bolts. So let's go ahead and get the X bolts right here. All right, next, this is all done. Now we go wheel this over and set this up. There we go, 50% done. Oh, it has a little pocket for the remote. That's cool. I like that. Good idea. Now the backrest, which is the T-bar. Just like that. Red sticker is facing up and out. And line up the T-bar just like that. Z. So now we're going to take Z screws, which are the bottom black ones. All right, so step 9 is done. Step 10 is slide it into place. There we go. And now we're going to connect the connections right here. So you see there's 3 wires or cables coming out right here. Obviously the white goes to white. It's easy enough. Here's the power adapter. And that plugs in right here. Make sure you plug it all the way in. Just like that. And this one goes to the remote. Make sure the pins are straightened. They look good. And then you want to match up the arrows on the cable. There we go. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And we're going to take these bolts and we're going to mount the armrests. That goes last. This is miscellaneous bolts and screws and stuff like that, which is really thoughtful. They added some extra parts just in case. All right, so you put it on just like this and just simply screw it in. And you want to do the same for the other side. Make sure the leather does not cover the hole. Right, so this one gets tightened up too. There we go. That's good. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. And oh wow. Oh, this thing leans back far. Wow. So this chair supports up to 400 pounds. It has gas lift right here. Oh, lifts up pretty high. Yep. And if you want to lean back, there's a lock to it. So that locks it into place. You unlock it and you lean all the way back. So that is 90 to 130 degrees reclining. And you can lock it into place right there. And then the remote, which is right here, as you can see. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Whoa. Oh, cool. This would be cool. Like if you're having a racing game, I would have it on during a racing game because it definitely feels like, oh yeah. Oh, this is pretty good. So right now everything's on. Lumbar, back, and thigh. Oh wow, it rotates. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. It has low intensity, medium, and high. You can focus on your thighs, lumbar, upper back, or lower back. I like the lumbar actually, in the back. Not so much the thigh. I don't like my butt shaking, but I like the lumbar. Oh, very nice. So check out in the video description below if you're interested in a 20% off coupon code. I'd like to thank the company for sending me this chair. So once again, this has 6-point massage for your upper back, lower back, and for your thigh. It takes about 30 minutes to assemble. Hopefully you guys found this video informative. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And if you know anyone that this video will interest or help, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.